How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a set of little bike mirrors that go on basically any type of bicycle, whether it's like just a normal bike or an e-bike or something like that. And just going over the box here, they have the anti-glare on them. They have a wider vision on them. Actually, I have one out here, and suitable for bike and e-bike, for handlebars and bar ends. And basically, it goes into the bar end, and it looks like it goes anywhere from a 5 to 20 millimeter. It's got a wide angle adjustment on it. And actually, you know what? Let's just take it out. I already took one out and tried it on my bike, verified that it fits. Let me show you everything you get with it. I think that's everything in the box. Little set of instructions. These are very easy to install, everybody. I had no problem. There is a left and a right, by the way. I think this is the left and this is the right, so that's how you know. And looking over it here, it looks like you get a little tool. So you actually get individual tool for each one. And I'll show you what you get. You get the little Allen key here, and this Allen key goes right there, and that's how that adjusts. And then it looks like you just get some extra kind of like hardware to it if you have to change it, or I guess maybe if you want to go smaller with it. You can see this one's a little smaller, that one's a little thicker. But the bike that I'm going to put it on is my mountain bike over here. I'm going to go ahead and install both of these on each end of the mountain bike. So let me show you how I go and do that. So let's go over to the mountain bike now. Okay, now that I'm over here by the mountain bike, let me show you how this one is. So I have a bar end right here, and this one has a cap in it. And I actually installed this cap on there. We'll go ahead and pop that out. Mine has this cap on them. Some of them might have a screw-in cap or a different type of cap, but that's what mine has. And I just use a flathead screwdriver to do that. So this is the right side, and I don't see a label on here. I guess you're just gonna have to figure it out on your own. And it looks like just, they have this little bungee on them. I'm gonna fix this up, get this in place better. Now I'm just gonna slide this in there like that and tighten it down. And when I turn this, what it's doing, it's swelling that out. That's it. This thing is on there. That ain't going anywhere. Now let's do the other side. Okay, there it is, everybody. Look how easy that was to install. And these things will rotate all around like that. You can see how they rotate 360 degrees that way and up and down and left and right over here, and then the same way over here. So see how I can see behind me, right? I know it's hard to show in the camera, but I can see, I can adjust it right there. There I am. Hey, everybody. And then I look to the left and look to the right. So that's the left and that's the right, and it goes easily right outside the hand grip. You can see how nicely. Now there some people actually mount these on the bottom. I've seen people mount these on the bottom, but this is how the manufacturer suggests doing it. So I'm going to run them just like this, but I do know that some people mount one, say the left down here and the right down there, so they're facing downward, and you can adjust them down here. Let me get over here and look at it. You can see the front of the bike, see how they look. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's going to be doing some bike riding, whether it's on the trail or on the road. I just like to see who's coming up behind me. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the bike end mirrors. See you in the next video.